Hey guys, really quick, my video didn't record properly during this part, so I'm just going to do a quick voiceover. I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Honey. I went in with Sweet and Swarm in the crease, as you can see, is what you're seeing right now. And then also Keeper, and I'm working with Hive as the video starts. Like I was saying, okay, since it is more pointed, you can actually be able to a little bit more in the crease. I mean, right in the crease. Okay. Make sure that it's really blended. Hold on, sorry guys, like I was saying, my camera is acting up a little bit. I'm just using the Sigma E45, I think. Yeah, E45 with Hive in the crease. I did it to one eye and I'm gonna do it to the other one. We're going for like a grungy look rather than like super clean look. Okay, make sure these are pretty even. Okay, these shades are pretty much just blending themselves, honestly. I don't really have to do a lot of work. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Hive again with the same brush. I don't think I need a different one, we'll see. And I'm just gonna tap on my eyelid. I also like to build it up on my eyelid. And build the intensity there before I put any lid shade on there, like shimmer shade. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm using the same shade Hive. I found that it blends in better, and you don't have to do as much blending later if you do the blending now. Cool tools. It's a little tiny brush like that. I'm gonna go in with, I don't know if I want to, actually, you know what, I'm not what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of drip first. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with some drip. And again, same thing as I was doing with, just top it off a little bit with the other brush, the E38, just tap it on here. It doesn't have to be side and do that. Just, you're sort of like building up your inner corner without first putting that super harsh like dark brown or even black in it. Okay, I'm going to use the first shade that I used to blend everything, and that clean brush, where is it? And then just blend everything out, just to make sure everything is blended. I didn't want any harsh lines in this look today. Okay. You see how it's, I'm really liking this eyeshadow. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is going to be sort of an experiment. Let's see if it works out. Because I don't have any other dark eyeshadows here. Okay, I'm going to use a small brush. I think I'm going to use a pencil brush, but a really small pencil brush. Yeah, like that. And I'm going to take Sting and sort of line my eyes with it. You're not gonna be able to see it too much, at least you shouldn't be able to. I have some fallout, but I don't think I even like. I'm not using any type of a, whatchamacallit, a pencil, like an eyeliner pencil. I'm just gonna use the eyeshadow and let that. Okay, now right here, I am tapping some into the outer corner, into the outer V. I'm gonna take my other brush and just blend it out a little bit like that. I do not want any harsh lines in today's look. Just want some definition without the harsh line. Do the same thing to the other look, to the other eye. Okay, so I'm lining my eye with it. I'm not about being precise. You see how that harsh light, I'm going to blend it out in a second. You can still see it there, but once I do the under eye, it'll look better. A little bit of keeper, and it's okay. I'm putting it a little bit in the crease to bring back some of that yellow. There we go. Okay. And using that same brush, I was using everything to blend out. That's where I kind of want it. Again, I didn't really want a defined edge. Okay, yeah. Okay. I always like to put on my face primer. I just like to let my eye primer set before I finish everything off. I'll show you guys what I'm using in a second. Hold on. I'm usually oily skin, but my face has been going through some changes. I don't know if it's some of the skincare that I use. I stopped using it. I dried it up too much. So instead, that way you can normalize. But I also been taking vitamins. I'm still oily skin, but I think I'm more combo now. Like normal, not combo, like normal, and then just a bit oily, just in my T-zone, which I'm good with. Okay, I have the Milk Hydro Gel Primer. I just bought a mini because I want to try it out before I commit to a full size, but I really like it. The Poreless, the Clean Slate Timeless, and that's what I'm going to use a little bit of in my T-zone. Just like honestly a little, because it's pretty good. Like it's pretty. Just a little bit on my nose. A little bit, it's all over my nose. Okay, now I'm gonna put golden, like I said earlier, golden all over my eyelid. I'm just gonna do it with my finger to see how it looks like first. ¿Quieres un mí? Cinco? Sí. Oh my goodness. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted. Okay, so I'm gonna start really intense towards the inner corner and then phase it out as I get to my outer V. And since I want it grungy, I kind of want it to blend into the there we go. Okay, start in the inner corner. Uh-oh, I don't want it in the inner corner, just okay, so the most intense part is in the inner corner, and it opens up your eyes. Okay, I'm gonna just blend a little bit with Hive en la other corner. ¿Te sigue doliendo la mano?
¿Eh?
¿Te sigue doliendo la mano?
No, no es que tengo un cabello.
Oh.
La que me dolía es esta.
Okay. There you go. I'm going to put just a little bit more on the inner corner here. Okay, that looks pretty even. Alright. I'm going to do the rest of my face really quick and then come back and do the rest of my face. Okay, the only thing I have left is inner corner highlight. I think I'm gonna go in with the same inner corner that I had. The heck? By Real Techniques, and I just really love this brush. Okay, I'm gonna start with this color because I just realized it's not yellow enough. But I just really want a really bright inner corner. See that? And then I'm going to go in with another one to make sure that it is matched. Okay. Alright, I'm going to go in with the one that's in here, Flyby. And I think that one a little bit more slightly yellow. I wish it was a little bit more yellow. Okay. Pretty sure I'm gonna leave my hair like this because I just don't have time to do it. And yeah, let me get dressed and then I'll be right back to show you the final look. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look, and there'll be more tutorials coming soon. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and let me know. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.